Hello kids, today we will draw a cute girl. So let's start. First draw a small line in middle of the paper, like this. Now draw a curved line and connect both the ends. Make it a half circle. Well done, now draw the girl hair. First draw a curved line, like this, then make a long line, and draw a big curved line. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here, and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Now draw the other side just like this. Good job, look, we draw the girl hair. Now draw a line on both sides, like this. Also draw a small line on head, like this. Well done, look, we complete the hair. Now draw the girl body. First draw a small line, like this. Then connect it. Now draw a long line, and make the end curvy. Good job, now draw the other side just like this. Do the same thing, and it's done. Now draw a small line on both sides. Well done, now connect the ends with wavy line. Look how great it's looking. Also draw a small line on neck. Good job, we draw the shirt. Now draw the girl hand. Draw a small circle, and it's done. Also draw the girl skirt. First draw a curved line on both sides. Again connect it with curved line. Just draw some wavy and curvy line, and it's done. It's looking very great. Now draw the girl leg. First draw some straight line. Just draw like me, and draw 4 lines. Draw all lines equal, and it's done. Now draw the shoe. Draw some small line, like this. Now connect the line. Look, we almost complete the drawing. Lastly, draw the girl face. First draw a circle, and slowly fill the color. Now draw the eyelashes, and it's done. Now draw the other eye just like this. Do the same thing, and don't make any mistake. Don't forget to draw the eyelashes. Lastly, draw a cute and happy smile. Good job, we complete the drawing. So let's color it. First use skin color and color the face. Don't color the eye, and carefully fill the color. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here, and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Color the neck, slowly. Also color the hand. Color the round shape, like this. Lastly, color the leg. Color both the legs, and look how great it's looking. Now use yellow color and color the shirt. Color the left side, then color the right side, just like this. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Now slowly and carefully fill, and it's done. Good job, it's looking very beautiful. Now use blue color and color the collar. Also color the skirt. Color carefully and don't make any mistake. Lastly, color the shoe. Color both shoes, and it's done. Now let's color the girl hair. Use pink color and color the hair. Color the left side, like this. Color step by step, and you will not make any mistake. Now color the right side just like this. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Look how great it's looking. Now color the front part. Make sure not to color the outline. Just color left and right. Left and right, and it's done. Well done, we almost complete the drawing. Lastly, use white color and make circle on eye. Draw a big and a small circle, and it's done. Now do the same thing on other eye. Lastly, draw a small line on hair, and it's done. Good job, we complete the drawing. Look how cute and pretty it's looking. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.